Hello students, let us discuss the chemical reaction of alcohol in which we are going to discuss the reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond. So in this video we are going to do the introduction part of it. So reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond in the alcohol. The reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond takes place only in alcohol. Phenol shows only this type of reaction with the zinc. So that means these reactions are usually for alcohols. That is a cleavage of CO bond. Look at the structure of alcohol. In this already we have discussed there are two polar bonds, that is OH polar bond and CO polar bond. So in the previous videos we have already discussed about the reactions involving the cleavage of OH polar bond, but now we are going to discuss the reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond. Cleavage of CO bond we are going to discuss. So as these reactions are usually shown by the alcohols and phenols will only show a particular type of reaction, that is with the zinc. Let us discuss the reactivity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol towards the reaction involving the cleavage of CO bond. This can be explained in terms of electron releasing inductive effect of alkyl group, that is plus I effect. The alkyl groups releases the electron, that is it is electron releasing group. It releases the electron in such a way that the electron density increases towards the carbon atom. You can see here two alkyl groups are there, so more electron density on the carbon. Here three alkyl groups are there, therefore this carbon will be more electron density. So when you compare the primary, secondary and tertiary structure, we can see that the electron density increases on the carbon in the tertiary alcohol in compared to secondary and primary, because there are three alkyl groups in the tertiary alcohol. So we can say that the alkyl group releases the electron and therefore they increases the electron density towards the polar bond, that is towards the oxygen. As a result of the polarity of the CO bond increases. Because of this, the polarity of the CO bond increases and this makes the cleavage of bond between the carbon and oxygen easier. So, because of the greater number of R, in the case of tertiary, we can say that this bond will be more polar, therefore the cleavage of this bond is easier in compared to secondary and tertiary. So we can say that which is more reactive towards the reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond, that is tertiary is more reactive than secondary than the primary. So primary alcohols are least reactive towards the reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond. Why? Because of the presence of greater number of alkyl groups in the tertiary. It increases the electron density towards the oxygen. Therefore, the cleavage of bond will be easier. So, in the next videos, we will be going to discuss the reactions of alcohol in which there is a cleavage of CO bond. These reactions are reaction with halogen acid, reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halide, reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride, acidic dehydration, dehydrogenation and oxidation reaction. So in the next videos, we will be going to discuss these reactions separately. So this is all about the introduction part of the chemical reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond. So in the next videos, we'll be discussing the detailed reactions of each. So have a nice day.